Miaulare, Zolapina, Aranayandra, Bulamaleka, Malopula, and of course, to my province of Kandavu, Mutumbula. I wish to start off by paying tribute to our Heavenly Father. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad indeed. I wish to acknowledge also the traditional custodians on the land upon we meet today. Nabanua Madomai, Wanaturanga and Suva. It is a great honor for me to be here today and to be the first time ever a woman to be the chief guest at the Coca-Cola Games here in Suva. I wish to thank the organizers and all of you for supporting the empowerment of women and girls. I greet our officials from Coca-Cola. They're here as well. I can hear a cheer from them. Welcome. Team Coca-Cola, for being here as well. There is something very deeply meaningful for this moment. It takes me back to my own school days. I attended Yetsen Primary School, Dragons here, Nihama, and of course, Andita Kumbao School. Like many of you here, I always look forward to the Coca-Cola Games. The energy is alive here today. And can we just acknowledge the Levuka Public School Band again? Thank you for bringing the party here this morning. To all our students who traveled from around Fiji, our 8 maritime schools, and close to 160 schools across the country, from the islands, the highlands, our rural communities, and of course, right here in our urban centers. We acknowledge you. Today, I want to recognize one young woman, if you will allow me, whose story reflects resilience and faith. For 2 years, she qualified for this meet here today, but could not compete because her events fell on her Sabbath. She waited patiently for 2 years, never giving up. This year, as head girl of Wainimbuka Secondary School, her moment has come. Her events are now scheduled on days that she can compete. And today she stands ready. We acknowledge very nicely Lamba. Can we just give a round of applause for her? Thank you for your resilience and your faith and for being here. In the same spirit, the theme this year, our game, our dream, our future. In that same spirit of inclusion, this year marks a historic moment with the first time ever inclusion of our para-athletes. Can we acknowledge them, please, especially today? This is more than participation. It's a clear statement that ability is not defined by limitation and that excellence comes in many forms. I will very quickly touch on a few things I want to talk about with you today. And I won't be long because I know you've been sitting for a while. Number one, no matter how much we celebrate sport and achievement, we must also speak honestly about the challenges you young people face today. And one of them is bullying, both online and offline. Often we see too many stories of secondary school students bullying each other or facing bullying, whether it's online or offline. Thank you, Suva Grammar School, for your banner portraying that message. Fight against bullying. There is no place for bullying in our schools. If you are a bully, you do not belong here. Not on the field, not on the stands, not on social media, not anywhere. Today I wear black because it is Thursdays in black. where we think about all the victims who face bullying, who face violence, especially women and children. Sports should build each other up, not break each other down. As president and the only woman president of a provincial rugby union, of Kandavu Rugby Union, I have seen sports build friendships and bring people together. But as we are responsible to each other, we must also be responsible to our environment. I want to address littering. Nambenuza. Ker serang apa kambimbio, kenda keda na tipong buhay na stadium. Kem ni nalak may bakayawa, kema kani rayta ng bero na singani kuha ni Tomika Limbita na kaba ni bero. Please dispose of your rubbish properly, because this litter was causing flooding in your communities, your homes, in the environment. I want to especially acknowledge Coca-Cola and their efforts in the Return to Earn initiative. Thank you for buying back these bottles so that we can dispose of plastic bottles thoughtfully. So if you have plastic bottles in your home you want to return, visit your councils, municipal councils, take it to the city council and they'll buy it back. But don't throw it in the rivers, don't throw it in the ocean. Please be an example to everyone around you. And lastly, of course, I want to address the issue of drugs. If you are planning to bring in drugs to this stadium, think again. There is no place for drugs in the lives of our young people. Say no to ice. Say no to methamphetamine. Say no to marijuana. Say no to glue. Sniffing glue is the biggest problem amongst our young people. Be that example to them and say no. Choose something productive. Choose something healthy. In conclusion, I want to also acknowledge, because I was a former cheerleader myself, I want to acknowledge the cheerleaders that are here. Can we just put our hands together? I see the Super Brothers and cheerleaders here. I tell you what, all of us sit and enjoy the games, but the cheerleaders are on their feet the whole day. That takes a lot of effort as well. Rain or shine, they will entertain you. Thank you, cheerleaders. I want to especially acknowledge, lastly, the people around you who have brought you here, our teachers. Can we just please clap for our teachers? Thank you for your sacrifices. Thank you for buying the spikes for the children who need it. Thank you for feeding them, for clothing them, for protecting them, here and back. My tatao, please, to all our children, return home after the games. We don't want to see missing children. Listen to your teachers, listen to your parents and guardians, and return home safely. To all of you athletes here today, all the very best. Even if you come last, I went to ACS the first time we came in the first few weeks, they told all of us, okay, you're going to run in the interhouse. All of us. We ran in the interhouse and I came last. But look where I am today. Life goes beyond the field, beyond the track. Just being here today to represent your school is a huge achievement. Never give up. Keep dreaming. I am honored to officially open and declare the Fiji Secondary Schools Athletics Finals Meet open. Let the Coca-Cola Games begin!